Look at this. This isn't just a duck. Think of it as the ultimate meal prep kit, a flavor subscription box, and a kitchen project, all wrapped in one handy, feather-free package. Why buy a single piece when you can get the whole bird and unlock a secret world of flavor? I'm talking about rendering your own golden cooking oil and brewing the most incredible stock, all from the scraps you'd normally toss. Today, we're going to break it down, build it up, and walk away with a week's worth of cooking wins. Step 1. Meet your duck. First up, we're going on a treasure hunt for the legs. Find that hip joint, give it a little wiggle, and pop. There it is. These guys are for the slow and low treatment. Think future duck confit, so juicy and tender. And now the main event, the breasts. These are the filet mignons of the duck world. We're going to carefully cut them off the bone, keeping that gorgeous skin on. These are for a fancy, fast sear later. Crispy skin, juicy inside, perfection in like 10 minutes. And the wings, we're setting these aside with the carcass. This bony guy looks like leftovers, but he's actually the MVP of this operation. He's not trash, he's treasure in disguise. Okay, stock time, don't panic, it's just lazy soup. We take our carcass and wings, maybe give them a quick roast in the oven for extra flavor if we're feeling fancy, but honestly, you can just toss them straight into a big pot. Cover them with cold water, throw in some ginger and green onion, no need to be neat, a bay leaf, a few peppercorns, that's it. Bring it to the tiniest little simmer where it's just barely blipping, then walk away. Seriously, go watch a show. Let it whisper to itself on the stove for a few hours. The magic happens while you're not looking. Strain it and boom. You've just made liquid gold, the most incredible, rich duck stock for epic risottos or ramen. Your future soups just got a major upgrade. Now for my favorite part, the secret superstar. Look at all this glorious extra skin. This isn't waste. This is how we make kitchen magic. Homemade duck fat. Chop it up, pop it in a cold pan with a tiny splash of water, and turn the heat to low. Then we practice patience. In about 30 minutes, you'll see the clear, beautiful fat melt out, and the skin pieces will transform into little crispy golden bits. Chef's candy. We strain the liquid gold into a jar. This stuff is a flavor bomb. Roast your potatoes in it for the crispiest spuds of your life. Sauté greens in it. It's a game changer. And those crispy skin bits, sprinkle them with salt. Snack time. You've earned it. So let's review our duck haul. From one friendly bird, we got uncooked breasts for a gourmet quick meal, uncooked legs for a future slow-cooked feast, a whole jar of magical duck fat, a pot of luxurious stock, and a bonus bowl of crispy snacks. See? Not scary at all. It's smart, it's fun, and it makes you feel like a total kitchen wizard. You wasted nothing, saved money, and built a flavor arsenal. Now go be brave with a duck. You've totally got this.